হ্যাঁ, নমস্কার। আমি সায়ন্তন আবার চলে এসেছি আমাদের নার্সিং ইনস্টিটিউট থেকে। এখানে খুব সুলভ মূল্যে আমরা জিএনএম নার্সিং পড়াই এবং খুব সুলভ মূল্যে আমরা পিসিআর আন্ডারে ফার্মাসি ফার্মা পড়াই। আজকের যে টপিক সেটা আলোচনা করবো সেটা হচ্ছে করোনারি আর্টারি। করোনারি আর্টারি সম্পর্কে একটা সাউন্ড নলেজ থাকা দরকার যারা বিগিনার্স এবং যারা পরবর্তীকালে কার্ডিয়াক অ্যারেস্ট, মায়োকার্ডিয়াল ইনফ্রাকশন, ইসকেমিক হার্ট ডিজিজ বা অ্যাথেরোস্ক্লেরোসিস সম্পর্কে জানতে চাও, তাদের ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু করোনারি আর্টারি খুব ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট। এবং যারা পরবর্তীকালে অ্যাপ্লাইড কার্ডিওলজি, বিশেষ করে ইন্টারভেনশনাল কার্ডিওলজি, করোনারি অ্যাঞ্জিওগ্রাফি, করোনারি অ্যাঞ্জিওপ্লাস্টি অথবা করোনারি আর্টারিয়াল বাইপাস গ্রাফটিং অথবা other radiological investigation of the coronary arterial tree, সিটি অ্যাঞ্জিও, এমআর অ্যাঞ্জিও যারা করতে চান বা যারা ভালো করে বুঝতে চান তারা কিন্তু করোনারি আর্টারি সম্পর্কে একটা ভালো করে জ্ঞান থাকা দরকার। করোনারি আর্টারি বেসিক্যালি আমাদের কিছু পার্টে আমরা ব্যবহার করব, আলোচনা করব। সো দিস ইজ দ্য পার্ট 1। সো আমি এখানে একটা হার্টের ছবি মোটামুটি করে এঁকেছি এবং হার্টের আমরা 4টা চেম্বার দেখতে পাচ্ছি। দিস ইজ রাইট আর্ট্রিয়াম, this is left atrium, this is right ventricle, and this is the left ventricle. And all you know that here is the sinoatrial node or SA node, and here is the AV node, and here is the septum of the artery. So these are the septum. Suppose this is the septum of the artery, and septum is always deviated towards the left, and this is the left ventricle, this is the right ventricle, and here is the aorta. Actually I am just making a schematic presentation. I am making a schematic presentation of the of the aorta. So this is the aorta and this is the aortic opening. Actually intentionally I have skipped the pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, etc, etc. So this is the base of the heart, this is the apex of the heart, this is the apex of the heart. So here is the apex, so here is the apex of the heart, especially composed of the left ventricle deviated towards the left. Now about the coronary artery. Coronary artery means the artery supplied the heart. So what is coronary? This coronary term, this term basically meaning the heart, related to the heart. That means this artery is supplying the heart, especially the muscle of the heart and the inner layer of the heart and the outermost layer of the heart. So this is the main artery of the heart, so that's why it is called the coronary artery. And maximum young person die from the coronary artery disease, die from the coronary artery disease or CAD. Maximum young person, because the coronary artery basically is a very small lumen artery, small patent artery, because patency approximate the diameter of the coronary arterial lumen approximate varies between 2 millimeter to 4 millimeter. So this small patent artery is very much prone to develop the blockage, and if there be any blockage, so the regional area which is drained by that artery, which is supplied by that artery, is lacking the proper oxygen and nutrition. So normally that area is beginning to getting die, or that is called ischemic region and myocardial infarction. That means that area will be infracted. So that is classical myocardial infarction, or simply we call it MI. Now the coronary artery, actually coronary artery basically starts from, this is the aorta, this is the aorta, so this is the aorta, and this is the aorta, and this aorta basically uh, ejects or drains the blood from the left ventricle, especially oxygenated blood. So this is the oxygenated blood, left ventricle, to all over the body. Along with there is a main initial branch of this aorta is coronary artery. Actually this aorta, this is the aortic opening, and this aortic opening is guarded by the valve. This is the semilunar valve, or simply it is called the aortic valve. This is the anterior cups of the aortic valve. This is the right posterior cups of the aortic valve. This is the left posterior cups of the aortic valve, and I have making a drawing. This is the right coronary artery. This is stemming out the anterior aortic cup sinus. Now what is aortic sinus? Because this portion of the aorta is very much dilated because of the presence of the cups. This portion of the aorta is very much dilated because of the presence of the cups rather than the other portion, and this dilated portion of this aortic ascending aorta, this dilated portion of the root of the ascending aorta is called the aortic sinus. So what is this? This is the aortic sinus. This is the aortic sinus. This is the aortic sinus. Now, so anteriorly, this is the anterior aortic sinus. This is the right posterior aortic sinus. This is the left posterior aortic sinus. Exactly coronary artery, especially right branch of the coronary artery, that is the right coronary artery, exactly stemming out from the right anterior aortic sinus. After stemming out, they gives a branch, and I am denoting here, this is the 1 number branch, and then again they gives a branch, this is another branch, and I am denoting here, this is the number 2 branch, and then the artery is coming, and along with it there are also some other branch, septal branch, and there is some other branch, that is the atrioventricular branch. So this is number 3, this is number 4. After that this artery is coming, and after reaching this margin, this is the margin of the right ventricle, and along the margin here is a branch. Along the margin here is the branch. So along the margin here is the branch. This branch I am denoting the 5, and after that it is going backwards, and after going backwards here is another branch. This is number 6, and then again here it is terminated. This is number 7. and from this number 6 here is another branch on the posterior part. This is number 8. I am coming to the next part.